welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the new Dior Forever foundation, which looks like this. I got the color 5W, so it looked like this. Yes, I got the matte one. They do have a glow one, but I did not get that one. It depends on how this one is, then I'll go get that one. But let's see what it has on the website. It says it is a new generation Dior foundation with 24-hour transfer proof wear. With skin ingredients, this matte formula visibly improves skin over time. So this foundation is supposed to be really good for your skin, and it's supposed to be non-transfer. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how good the coverage is. It's supposed to be medium coverage foundation. We're gonna see if I can build it up to cover up my dark spots on my face, and we'll see from there. Let's see. I don't know how many pumps I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start off with 2 pumps. I'm gonna apply it with a brush. They didn't have really a lot of different colors to choose from for women of color, but this was the best one, and I had one of the people there color match me, and I was thinking it was gonna be between 5W and 6W, but she told me that these oxidize really heavy, so she said go with the 5W because it's gonna oxidize. So right now, yeah, I'm getting a little bit of medium coverage right now on my face. Not too bad. I did try the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation, and I literally just took that back to get this one because, y'all, that makeup broke me out. My skin was having a kind of reaction to it. I never really used Makeup Forever foundation before, so that was my first time using one of their foundations. I really only used the powder, but yeah, it broke my skin out, and I started having this burning feeling on my face when I was applying it. So I was like, when I first applied it and I was trying to wear it throughout the day, it just didn't feel right to me. I was like, it felt like I really wanted to hurry up and take it off. So then the next day, I was like, okay, maybe I was just having like a bad day. I don't know. But then the next day, I was like, let me try this again. But as I was applying it, it started burning around my cheek area. And I had to take it off. And I wasn't going to do no all-day wear review because the first time I took it off, my face broke out really badly. And I'm thinking, okay, maybe it was my brushes or something. But I wasn't using nothing different but the foundation. So, yep, I took that back, you guys. And now I'm trying this one. So far, it's going on really matte, really smooth. It is drying as I'm applying it. So, I think wearing this, you really have to work quickly. It looks, I don't know if y'all seen it, but it looks a little yellowy on camera, but as it oxidizes, I guess it'll be okay. Now this foundation was $52 plus tax, probably $55. It's not bad. Like, I don't feel like it's too, I don't feel like it's too drying to where you just can't move it around. I feel like it's looking pretty good. Like, let me see. I'm actually really liking this so far, because I am going to wear it throughout the day. I feel like it was really good. A little bit more on. You know what? It's actually covering more than what I expected it to cover. Like, it is covering. So I would say, yeah, this is very buildable. Very buildable. And very matte. So I feel like it did a really good job of covering up my pigmentation around my chin and my dark spot, my acne scars around my face. It went on really nicely. It is drying when it goes on, but it's not drying to where you can't work it around or stand in one spot. It did not go on blotchy. It actually looks pretty good right now. It actually looks pretty good right now. So this is what it's looking like. Little yellowy, that's okay. I'm gonna see how it does throughout the day and how it oxidizes. But yeah, it's looking good. Probably just gotta put a little more right here too, but otherwise it's not bad at all. This is what it looks like in daylight. So it looks like this. See, it doesn't look that bad. I didn't finish the makeup yet, but I just wanted to show you just the foundation, what it looks like before I put on powder or anything to change like anything, but this is what it looks like. Hi you guys, welcome back. It is now 6:05. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's now 6:05. I had this makeup on since 11 this morning, did my errands, now I'm back. So one thing I noticed about this makeup is it is not transfer proof. I did have to wear my mask, so the makeup did get on the mask, and some of the makeup is starting to come off from where I had my mask on around my mouth. So that's one thing I noticed. You know what? I'm really not that oily. Only a little bit on my nose. A little bit of the makeup start coming off my nose, but that's because I had my mask on too. But I'm really not that oily. I really expect it to be more oily, more in my T-zone, because I haven't blotted throughout the day or anything. No touch-ups, nothing. So I would, for the amount of hours I had this foundation on, I'm not really oily like that at all. Like I said, it's probably just my nose, but let me get close up. Do you see? I don't think you guys can see, but I'm not really oily like that. It's just right here on my nose, really. And I don't know if you guys can see, around this area is where I had my mask on, so it's a little dark right there, but I'm gonna use the napkin to see what I get off. So, but it's not bad. So, I don't know. See if my camera could fix on it. So it's about that much that came off. So it's not really that bad. So I would say it's little transfer, because I had it on all day. This is my first time blotting my face, and I'm not really getting a lot. So that's really good. That's really good. It withheld for those amount of hours, but it does say 24-hour foundation. I will not be having this foundation on for 24 hours. I feel like give it a couple more hours, I will be taking this foundation off. But otherwise, I feel like it's a good foundation. I feel like it's worth it. It still looks good. I've had no problems with this foundation. Otherwise, I do recommend this foundation. I like this foundation. I know everybody has mixed reviews about it, but for me, I really like it. So that's it for my review. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.